to my channel. Today I will be sharing my latest planner hauls. So first we are going to start off with my order from the Planner Spot. So they released all new icons on their website. So this is going to be restocks as well as some of her new designs. So let's open this up. So there is this little goals freebie in here. And then I got a restock on these laptops. So I use these for work. I also use these for blogging. And so I do run through these a lot. And then after that is the new COVID icon. So you have a little swab for your test, vaccine, you have a mask, you have the little house with a lock on it for when you go on lockdown, and then a little Zoom icon. I just thought this was really great to put like little COVID updates in there, like wash your mask. I just got the vaccine, so I'm going to backdate and put these in with that. If you ever need a rapid test, you can use these. You can really keep track of, city ordinances and then just scheduling Zoom calls. These are the ones that I'm most excited for. So I got the paw prints. So she actually came out with like a sampler as well with different ones. I think there's like food and different things like that. My fiance orders the food. I just need these for like vet appointments. Whenever we give her heartworm prevention, I just want a little bit of paw print there. Or whenever like I take her for a walk, which I haven't done in a while and I need to, but just different things like that. So I got one full sheet of paw prints. And then she came out with a lot of other designs. So there are these little noodles, which it's a full sheet of noodles. And I thought I got the entire food sampler. I guess I didn't. So I need to go back and order that. But she got a whole new like sampler. And so we do eat out. We do get ramen a lot. So I mainly got these for ramen. But there's also like, I think pizza on there and takeout and other things. So there's a full like new, I think it's called the takeout sampler. So I am going to go back and get that. That's what I thought I got, but I think I probably just switched to ramen because I really wanted ramen. But I got a full sheet of that and that's fine. I'll definitely use those up. And then there are these new football icons. So she has a sports sampler again. I'm just using these for like games. So of course now, we just have the Super Bowl and then, off season, but I'm excited to use these when football is back and then also use these for fantasy football. And then the ones that I'm most excited for are these. So she came out with some Bill samplers. And so I mentioned this in I believe my planner flip for my pocket agenda. And so I will be using these in my finance agenda to mark when, rent comes out, car payment, phone bill, Wi-Fi, insurance, electric, water, and then we don't have any trash, but I'm just going to use these for like regular planning. But I'm really excited for these and to add these into my planner. And then that is everything in this order. So I'm going to go back and order that food sampler and then probably some more paw prints too. I absolutely love the Planner Spot icons. I love the variety of these. I'm really excited to add all of these to my collection. So we have these. And next up is an order from Top Papercoat. So this was a limited edition Valentine's Day set. So this is their macaroon collection. So let's open this up. And I'm so excited for this. So you get this little planner card and then you have the stickers. So there is the transparent hearts in each of the colors. And then there are the new colors. So you have milk and honey. And so this collection came with the transparent dots and dewdrops. I'm not 100% sure if these are going on the website. I don't think I've seen them on there, but I will keep y'all updated. Here is the new hazelnut. Raspberry. And then cotton candy. And then that is the new collection. And I love these colors. They're so pretty. I think these are just adorable. And let me just lay them out for y'all. But that is everything that was in that Top Papercoat order. All right, y'all, and then next up is 2 orders from Salty 22. So Salty 22 was previously JL Plans, and right now she currently has all the Louis Vuitton inspired printables. I think she did say that on her Instagram that she was no longer going to do that, but this is also where I got the Louis Vuitton inspired dashboard from her that I have it on my planners. And then just came out with these etched plastic dashboards that I'm going to use as page lifters. And so I got one in each size for every planner. So let me open these up and show y'all what they look like. Okay, so it comes with these little roses as a little planner card. And so this is 2 different orders that were consolidated into one. And so here are the dashboards. So here is the one for the pocket. And so with these dashboards, they aren't pre-cut. So she does show you where to cut, but they don't automatically come pre-cut. And she says she does that because some planners vary in sizes, and that way you can create and cut your own. So I do have to punch these, but luckily I have a puncher. So here's the pocket, and then we have the personal size for the agenda, and then we have the A5 size. And so let me grab my hole punch. And so I don't know if I want to, I was thinking about using these as page lifters, but now I'm debating on just using these to like hold sticky notes, because I think that'd be really cute. So let me grab my hole punch, and we'll hole punch these and put them in. Okay, y'all, so I just realized that I should probably show y'all exactly what I'm doing. So I don't trust myself with the measurements, especially since both of my hole punches, this one's from Hobby Lobby, this one's from Amazon, they're both the exact same thing. So they both go in a little bit further than how these punches were on here, and then same with the inserts, but it doesn't really bother me if they're off on the inserts. But I did want to line up the hole punch with the holes on here, obviously, since they are sketched out. So what I'm doing is I'm taking the back of the invoice that came in, so just like a scratch sheet of paper, and so I'm putting it in the hole punch after I set the settings. So on this one, I just make sure that it's on A5, and then I make sure the paper holder's on A5, and then I place it in, and that way I know exactly where it's gonna punch the holes. So I make sure it's all the way back, all the way to this. And so I get the placement of the holes, and then I'm just lining them up with the holes on here. And that way I know where the holes are going to be. So we have that. And then because again, I'm not patient enough for anything, and that's why I can't make my own inserts. I don't want to mess anything up. I'm just taping it down with just like regular Scotch tape. And that way it stays in place and it doesn't shift, so I get that like exact cut. And then I'm just putting the paper in exactly where it was, so making sure it's in there, and then it's giving me that precise holes. This is, you know, probably a little extra, but this is just how I want to do it, so I know I can get the cut, because I don't make my own inserts. I'm not good at pre-punching things, and I don't want it to be off. So that's how I'm doing it. So if you're like me, and I know a lot of people, when I talked about not being able to make my own inserts, I'm not the only one. So hopefully this helps someone who just doesn't trust their own like measurements or anything. I was looking for like a single hole punch, because I feel like that also be great to use, because you can just, you know, you can line up everything easily. This is just the method that I've been using, and I get the perfect punch on all of them because it's lined up and I get it the punch where I want it. So that's what I did for all of these, and I just wanted to show y'all that as well, just in case you order these or order something similar and you're trying to do the same thing but you don't trust yourself like I do. And now that they are all punched, we are going to put them all in my planners, and so I'm going to use these all as page protectors. So these are all going to go in the front of my planners. Okay, and then the last item for this video is from Infinite Lotus, and this is the order that I'm most excited about because it is the rest of my financial inserts. And so in this order, I have the budget tracker and the order tracker. So now that this is officially my finance agenda, I wanted to add both of these. And so I added the new Infinite Lotus inserts off camera because I wanted to use them as well as rearrange a few items in here. So I'm just going to do a mini planner flip of my pocket. So up front we have the Salty 22 dashboard, and then this is just the page protector. We have the calendar, and then I actually have an order coming in from Cloth and Paper. And so I ordered the glass inbox, and so I'm going to put that here. So I have an inbox in here, and then I've changed the top tabs to manage my accounts. So if you've watched my finance videos before, you know I have several accounts to manage my finances. So I have a personal account that I use for spending, and then I have a bills account where all of my bills come out of, and then I also have a joint account with my fiance, and that's where all of our joint bills come out. And so my paycheck is divided into 5 different, 2 of those accounts are savings. I've decided to stop just tracking that on paper because I never did it, but I wanted to track my 3 checking accounts. And so each tab is an account, and then each account has a budget tracker behind it. And then that way I can kind of use this as like a checkbook in a way, so I can easily track all my finances, where I'm spending, and make sure that everything's up to date, because I've been really bad at that lately, and so I really wanted to incorporate a system in here to do that. And since this is my wallet and on the go, I can easily update that on the go. And then I just added sticky notes so I can use the dashboards as kind of like an inbox for each account, so I can just write down little reminders if something's coming out or I need to pay something, or you know, anything along those lines. I can just add a sticky note. So that's how I'm using the budget trackers. And then for the order trackers, I've decided to track my orders monthly, and so I added one behind each monthly tab. So each month has the monthly overview, and I have the bookmark in the current month. I have my financial overview, expenses, and then I have my order tracker. And then I just did that for each month. So each month has monthly overview, financial overview, expenses, and then order tracker. And that way I can keep track of all of my orders on the monthly basis, and it's organized as well. So that's where I added those 2, and I just love this setup. This makes me so happy because I love the setup. I love the size of these inserts because I feel like they're perfect for what I need, and I love having this on the go so I can quickly reference anything that I need. But that is all of the new items, and that is my latest planner haul, and that is going to be it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching.